Welcome to this guide on cryptocurrency exchanges. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about buying and selling crypto through digital platforms. Whether you're completely new to cryptocurrency or looking to understand how exchanges work, this guide will walk you through the essential concepts step by step. A cryptocurrency exchange is a digital platform that enables users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a marketplace where you can exchange your traditional money, like dollars or euros, for digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These platforms also allow you to trade one cryptocurrency for another, making them essential tools for anyone entering the crypto space. There are two main types of cryptocurrency exchanges. First, centralized exchanges, abbreviated as CEX, are managed by a company that controls and secures user funds. These are the most common and user-friendly options. Second, decentralized exchanges, known as DEX, enable peer-to-peer trading directly between users without any intermediary company holding your funds. Today, we'll focus primarily on centralized exchanges since they're the most popular choice for beginners. Centralized exchanges offer several key advantages that make them ideal for newcomers. They provide a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even if you've never traded crypto before. These platforms offer high liquidity, meaning you can buy or sell quickly without delays. Customer support is available to help you if you encounter any issues. However, there's an important trade-off. The exchange holds custody of your funds, meaning you trust the platform to secure your cryptocurrency until you withdraw it. Buying cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange involves three straightforward steps. First, create an account on the exchange and complete KYC verification, which stands for Know Your Customer. This process requires you to verify your identity with documents like a government ID. Second, deposit fiat currency, meaning traditional money, through a bank transfer or credit card. Third, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and place a buy order. The crypto will then appear in your exchange wallet within moments. When trading on an exchange, you'll encounter two main types of orders. A market order allows you to buy or sell immediately at the current market price. This is the fastest option, but the price may fluctuate slightly during execution. A limit order lets you set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. The trade will only execute automatically when the market reaches your target price. Limit orders give you more control, but require patience, as the market needs to reach your specified price. Understanding fees is crucial when using cryptocurrency exchanges. Trading fees are charged when you buy or sell, with different rates for makers who add liquidity and takers who remove it. Deposit and withdrawal fees apply when you move money into or out of the exchange. Network transaction fees, also called gas fees, are paid to blockchain miners for processing your transactions. Finally, conversion fees apply when exchanging fiat currency for cryptocurrency. Always review the fee structure before choosing an exchange. Security should be your top priority when using cryptocurrency exchanges. Always enable two-factor authentication, abbreviated as 2FA, which adds an extra layer of protection beyond your password. Use strong, unique passwords that you don't use anywhere else. Before signing up, verify that the platform has proper security measures and is regulated in your jurisdiction. Finally, consider transferring larger amounts to a hardware wallet for long-term storage, as keeping significant funds on an exchange carries risks. Following these practices will help protect your investment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.